One of Kyoto's symbols is Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, also known as Sagano Bamboo Forest. Located at the foot of Mount Arashiyama Storm Mountain in the northern part of the city, Sagano Bamboo Forest is one of the most photographed Japanese bamboo forests. It consists mostly mōsō bamboo with several pathways for visitors. An early morning visit is highly recommended as this time you can see the morning sunlight riddle through the bamboo leaves and create a speckle effect. From Kyoto Station, take the Junior Sagano Sanin Main Line to Arashiyama Station, about a 15 minutes train ride and 10 minutes walk to the bamboo forest.
Dapat i-video mo yung dito. Paakyat. That's my favorite line. That's not little kid.
Tenryu-ji is also located in Arashiyama with a scenic area at the foot of Mount Arashiyama and the most important temple in Kyoto's Arashiyama district. It was established in 1339 by the shogun Ashikaga Takuji in dedication to Emperor Go-Daigo. They are the two most important historical figures who used to be allies until Tokuji turned against the emperor as struggle for dominion over Japan. By building a temple, Tokuji intended to propitiate the former emperor's spirit. The 155 meters wooden bridge built over Yai River Katsura River in 836, which literally means moon crossing bridge, has been a beacon in western Kyoto's Arashiyama district for over 100 years. The wooden bridge spans the Katsura River in front of Arashiyama Mountain, offering magnificent views. The spring cherry blossoms and fall colors draw huge crowds, as the scenery during those seasons is picturesque. The location is also often used in Japanese historical films. The park is located in Arashiyama, one of Kyoto's busiest tourist areas, and is easily accessible by train. It shows off more than 100 snow monkeys, which are also known as the Japanese macaque. They are native to Japan, and those are the monkeys seen in iconic photos in which they are bathing at hot springs in the winter. The best time to visit Iwatayama Monkey Park is between March and September, which is the birth season and your best chance to see baby monkeys. Another pretty good timing is in autumn when the maple trees along the trail are changing colors. To reach Iwatayama Monkey Park, just cross the Togetsu-kyō bridge towards the hills upstream from the bridge. There are a flight of steps leading to the park entrance, and you need to hike up to the park for 20 to 30 minutes. Once you reach the top, you will witness the panoramic views of Kyoto, and the Japanese macaques are openly roaming around. The Temple of Golden Pavilion, officially named Rokuon-ji, is one of Kyoto's very admired buildings, attracting every holiday maker not to miss this area while in Kyoto. This is a Zen temple in northern Kyoto, whose top to floors are completely covered in gold leaf, a majestic structure built overlooking a large pond, and is the only building left of Yoshimitsu's former retirement complex. It was built by the Ashikaga Yoshimitsu, the third shogun of the Muromachi shogunate, in 1398. This building has been burned down numerous times throughout its history, including twice during the Onin War, a civil war that destroyed much of Kyoto, and once again more recently in 1950 when it was set on fire by a sectarian monk. The pavilion was later designated a World Heritage Site in 1990 due to its breathtaking architecture that uniquely harmonizes the culture and prevailing representation of court nobles, samurai, and Buddhism. Kyoto remains as the cultural capital of Japan and favored among holidaymakers all over the world due to its rich cultural heritage. The city is famous for its numerous classical Buddhist temples, as well as Zen gardens, imperial palaces, Shinto shrines, and traditional Japanese wooden houses, and there are over 3,000 temples and shrines in Kyoto. The city of Kyoto, with the ancient name Heian-kyō, remained the national capital of Japan from 794 until 1868 before it was replaced with Edo, modern-day Tokyo, after 1868.